Okay, hello and you are welcome. So I'm making this video in response to a particular issue that I noticed that has been very common among creators. Like I have 3 creators that have reached out to me with this same issue. So if you are about to apply for YouTube monetization, or maybe you are going to do it in the future, you are hopeful that you are going to do it in the future, this video is very, you need to, take this information I'm going to share in this video very seriously. Now, this creator sent me a message and let me read it out. It says, "Hello, I saw your video on YouTube about AdSense verification. I recently set up my AdSense and did the identity verification, but the system could not pick up my name from the photo I submitted. I have a good phone, so quality isn't an issue. I submitted around 5 times and every time it got my name wrong or missing. After that, AdSense locked me out of it, so now I can't verify my identity. It now says, to verify your identity and start showing ads again, please contact us. Do you know what I should do? Thank you." So this is the message this creator sent to me about 3 days ago. Now, one thing you need to understand, and I think you need to take this very seriously. I've made video about this, in the past, but probably we have new members in the community. So I have to emphasize on this again. When you are applying or when you are trying to verify your identity in AdSense, make sure that everything that is needed is available. Like make sure that the name you have that the name you used in your AdSense account is exactly the same on the document you want to use, whether your NIN, whether your driver's license, international passport, whatever document you want to use. Make sure that the name stays, they are exact. If it is Michael Jackson, make sure that the name in your AdSense account is Michael Jackson and the one on your ID card is Michael Jackson, not this one Jackson Michael, while the one in your ID is Michael Jackson. So everything must be in line because this thing is system automated. This is not being manually reviewed. You get the point. And the sad reality about if you make this attempt, when you try to verify your identity, you attempt it for 5 times and you couldn't, verify it, definitely Google will suspend your AdSense account or will lock you out of your AdSense account. So this is what actually happened to this creator. And I've had an incident some time ago where a creator lost about $400 in his AdSense account. Till today, he can't access, his ads. The money in his AdSense account. When he log into his AdSense account, he's seeing his $400, but he can't access it. Another creator, similar thing, about over $1,000 in his AdSense account. These guys are Nigerians based in Nigeria. Imagine you work for 2-3 months and you've gotten over $1,000. Imagine almost 2 million naira. You are seeing your 2 million naira, but you can't access it. So, and I've not seen anyone that has successfully gotten back their revenue after having this kind of issue. So what I'm trying to say here is that when you're applying for your identity or when you are trying to verify any verifiable in your AdSense, make sure that every information is accurate. Not even accurate, but they're exact. Just like the example I made, Michael Jackson, you make it Michael Jackson your AdSense, your ID should also have Michael Jackson. If what you have in your ID is Jackson Michael, make sure that your ID, in your AdSense should be correspond with the same, the same sequence, Jackson Michael, not Michael Jackson, because this could lead to serious issue. That is, if you don't take it seriously. Apart from the name or whatever, like this particular creator, his own issue is about, the name. The system couldn't verify the name. But in some other cases, like when you want to, upload your ID card, some of us are not too that careful, knowing that if you have some bad blood or some portion of your ID card being cut out when you are snapping it or uploading it to the system, YouTube will definitely reject it. AdSense will definitely reject it. So take note of this. Wherever country you are, whether you are based in Nigeria, whether you are in North America or the UK or wherever, this applies to every creator. So if you are trying to apply for monetization and you are setting up your AdSense account, make sure that everything you have for your verification is accurate and exact, and also follow the guidelines. I will also share the link to some of my videos on how you can verify your identity without issues, so that you won't run into these issues. When you attempt this verification up to 5 times and you are not successful, any money you have in your AdSense account is gone. Please take this seriously so that you won't miss out or regret in the future. And for any reason, if you feel that this is something that you cannot handle, you can reach out to me, register or subscribe to my AdSense support program. I will help you out from the beginning to the end, doing the verification, doing the application, and your tax info and all the rest. I will help you do that. So guys, let's be careful. Like those of us that are not yet monetized, I know in the coming weeks and even the coming months, some of us will have this issue to deal with. So be careful how you handle it. Before I go, I would also like to emphasize that YouTube has been taking their policies, their terms, their conditions, all those rules that is guiding this community. YouTube has been taking it very, very seriously. So if there's any way you are subtly violating the YouTube policy, make sure that you are avoiding all those things. I've talked about, I made a video about why YouTube is deleting many channels, and this is real. Some of other creators came out, even they dropped comment in that video, sharing their own beta experience. So if you are really here to impact life and also make revenue from this platform, so be careful how you handle things. So that's what I have for you guys in this video. So if this video was helpful, if the information I shared here was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if this is the first time you are watching my video, you can hit the subscribe button to be part of the community. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.